First of all, this huge meat brings lots of flavor to this piece of meat. Huge meat. So this is okay, cool. Let's try again. Let's get right at this. Let's get straight into this. Guys, I've made a new friend on YouTube. His name's Eat This. No, it's not his name. He makes one of the amazingly. So this stage. So first of all, 800 grams, double O. Right, guys. So we, you can see we're making a fire inside, right in the middle. As explained earlier, we're going to make most of this exercise. We're going to do fire in the middle. As explained earlier, that's what we're going to do. So we're waiting for the fire. Nice mixture of sauces. We're going to make a fire in the middle for most part of this whole exercise. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel, Xman Co. Guys, if you like what we're doing here,
like, share, subscribe, and enable those notifications.
So you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. We can't do this without you. Guys, thanks for watching. And comment below, let us know if there's anything else you want us to try. See you next time. Cheers. Thanks, my baby.